Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate crypto transfers on Robinhood. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start making crypto transfers on Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and activate that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first go ahead and hop onto Robinhood. Now, once you're logged in, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on the profile icon. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you're going to click on the hamburger icon, then click on crypto next. So from here, you're going to see that most of your transfer actions are deactivated. Go ahead and click on activate crypto transfers. And so that right there should go ahead and take you to these on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and activate crypto transfers. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.